Hey guys, in this video we are going to take a look at the ElecFreaks Nezha Breakout Board and what's inside. I'm going to unscrew the board and see what's inside. The ElecFreaks Nezha board is loaded with 4 servo drives, 4 motor drives and 7 sensor expansion interfaces that are in RJ11 connectors with foolproof and anti-reversal plug-in design. This makes it incredibly convenient for students to connect quickly and accurately in classes. But what really sets the Nezha Breakout Board apart, it's compatible with Lego and Fischertechnik building blocks. By combining electronic modules with mainstream structural parts, students can build personalized microbit creative programming projects themselves. The possibilities are endless. So this is the battery, built-in 900 mAh lithium battery. Input voltage is 5 volt and charging current is 1 ampere. I'm going to take this part out. Need to be very careful. Going to use a supporter to take this part out. So there you have it, the ElecFreaks Nezha Breakout Board. If you are a student or educator looking to expand your microbit projects, this board is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching and be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this one.